Hey guys, so today I have got October's Fright crate box to show you. Now for anyone that's not seen me open one of these before, they are kind of a subscription box, but not really, because you don't subscribe, but you can choose if you want to buy it monthly or not. They tell you the themes for the month and then you decide whether you want it. So I have ordered next month's November box, which is their Christmas one, but I'm not going to order the one that's out now, which is the December box, because I don't really love the themes for it. So the themes for next month's one are Gremlins, Jaws, Predator, Rocky Horror and Jack Frost. So like I said, I've got that one. So the one that I've got today, like I said, is the October one, which is their 3rd anniversary box. And the themes for this one, if I remember correctly, because it doesn't actually say on here, were Halloween, Evil Dead, Psycho and Elvira. I'm pretty sure they were the 4. So let's just have a look what is in here. So the first thing on the top is the t-shirt. You always get a t-shirt every box. And that is this one. So obviously this is the Evil Dead item. I actually haven't seen the old Evil Dead. I've seen the new, like the remade one, but not this older one, so I'll have to give it a watch sometime. Don't love this t-shirt, definitely not my favourite one by them, but it is pretty cool though, so we have that as our first thing. Next we have a Serial Resin Co. magnet. So this is Mrs. Bates from Psycho. It's very creepy. Just has one magnet on the back, like a fridge magnet. So that's pretty cool. Then we have our pin, so you always get a pin as well, and this month it is an Elvira Fang Club one. So it's pretty cute. Her face doesn't look fully like Elvira's face, but I mean, it's a pin and it's tiny, so they've done a pretty good job. It also has 2 on the back so that it doesn't spin around when you're wearing it. Then our next Elvira item is this. So this is a double feature 2 horror pack DVD with Count Dracula's Great Love and Frankenstein's Castle of Freaks. It says it's hosted by Elvira. For the first time ever, enjoy full-length films with Mistress of the Dark. So I'll maybe give that a watch sometime. As far as I'm aware, I think they said that this was like a region-free one, so any country can watch it kind of thing, because usually if you buy American DVDs in the UK they don't work on your DVD player, so I'm pretty sure I read them say that this does work for everybody, which is cool. So there is that. And then our last item is the Halloween item. Honestly, not my favourite box from them at all. I do love Fright Crate, it's one of my favourite ones to get, but the themes in this one just weren't the best for me, and that's just a personal choice, I guess. But this is definitely my favourite item. So this is a Michael Myers bust, and it does actually light up. It's got a little switch on the bottom so that these 2 LEDs light up here. I'm not really sure what they're supposed to be, like these 2 orange little dots, but it's pretty cute though. It does say Halloween across the bottom. My camera's being a little funny for some reason, but there we go. So this is our Michael. He's pretty cool. Like I said, there's a switch down here which turns that on and off. Oh. So yeah, that was everything that was in October's Fright Crate box. Just to quickly go over it again, there was the Michael Myers Serial Resin Co. bust, the Elvira pin, Elvira DVD, the Psycho magnet, so these 4, and then the Evil Dead t-shirt, if I can pick it up again. So this was October's Fright Crate. Like I said, definitely not my favourite one, so fingers crossed I like next month's box because it's their Christmas one, and it's got a snow globe in it apparently, which is pretty cute. I think I've had a snow globe in a box before that was a Gremlins one, so I kind of feel like it's going to be a Gremlins one, but I love Gremlins, so that is perfectly fine by me. But yeah, I hope you liked this video anyway, and if you did, please subscribe. I'll put all the info down below for Fright Crate in case you want to go check them out. I think this month's box is sold out now. Unfortunately, they sell out really fast. So they come on sale on the 1st of every month, and if you want them, you need to buy them within like a few days for them to have enough stock. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I will see you soon. Bye guys.